Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be putting this ZAGG screen protector on the outer cover display of my Z Flip 5. I've said before, I'm not a huge fan of ZAGG screen protectors. It's not that they're necessarily bad quality, but for what you get, I do think they are quite highly priced, especially ones for regular slab phones. They're easily going to run you $50 to $60 for something like an iPhone 15 Pro Max or S23, S23 Ultra, stuff like that. They're going to be the $40 to $60 range, when you can get a 3-pack or 4-pack or something like that on Amazon for $10 to $15, and they're not bad quality. So I'm not a huge fan of ZAGG screen protectors. I did pick this up because I had a $5 certificate at Best Buy, and this was $25, so I got it for 20 bucks. Sure, you still only get one. I could have gotten a 2 or 3-pack on Amazon for probably 10 bucks, but I could get this today, so that's why I bought this one. We're going to go ahead and install it and check it out. And one thing, this is what you're paying for right here, is that limited lifetime warranty. But again, if I'm paying $10 for a 3-pack on Amazon, I'll just pay $10 every couple months and replace them, rather than pay $50 or $60 for one and have to probably jump through hoops to use the warranty. Maybe we'll it does say it covers wear as well, so maybe if this gets scratched up, starts peeling or something like that, we will check out the warranty process and see how long it takes and what you have to do to get it, whether you have to ship it back or how long all that's going to take. So here we have the little box that it comes in. We do have your installation tray right here. Registration for your limited lifetime warranty, and microfiber cloth and alcohol wipes. Excuse me. And then right here we have the screen protector, all these little envelopes. Alright, so screen protector right here with the little installation tabs on it. Alright, so we're going to set all that to the side, and we're going to put the phone in, I believe, let's see. This is shaped so your phone's only going to go in one way. We have alcohol wipes, we have a dust sticker, and a microfiber cloth. So we're going to go ahead and wipe it off. Now, I've been using this phone for about 2 days with no case, no screen protector, no nothing on it. So I'm going to go ahead and dry it with that. You don't have to get the camera area too good, because it doesn't cover, it only covers the actual screen portion. But that looks pretty good. Let's see. Take our dust sticker. This screen's small enough that it's not going to take that much. Just make sure we don't have anything under there. It does like to get stuck to the either the frame of the phone or the tool. Alright, so we're just gonna peel this sticker off right here and line it up. So obviously the camera cutout's gonna go right there, and that's gonna go right there, like so. So all you gotta do is put it on the little tabs right there, and then give it a press in the middle, and it will spread out and adhere itself, which it looks like it did quite well. Kind of just a little bubble there. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of push anything out. Main spot's right there. and those should mainly dissipate within a few hours to 24 hours. Go ahead and take that off right there. Take it out of the tray, and you can see we do have a little bit of bubblage up there, but again, it pushes right out. There you go. Most of those actually just came out right now, but if you let those sit for about a day, they'll work their way out. But there we go. Like I said, this only covers the screen itself. It does not protect over here or the edges very well, which I don't like too well, because this is the same glass as this. So if you drop it and it cracks right here, I'm kind of curious as to whether it's going to kind of just spiderweb under the screen itself, and the screen protector at that point would be kind of pointless. So this is mainly going to be for scratches to the screen itself, but it's not going to really offer you any drop protection in my opinion, because if you crack the glass in an exposed area, the screen protector is not going to really save you from that. So that is the ZAGG. Like I said, it's about 25 bucks at Best Buy. I had a Best Buy $5 certificate from my rewards points, so I got it for like $21 with tax, so not too bad. Whitestone is going to be sending me out some accessories, so I'll check those out as well and let you guys know which ones I prefer. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.